So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add outline to text here on Canva. Super simple, but it's a little bit of a process, and I will show you guys throughout this video. So first thing you have to do is find some text that you want to add an outline to. So for this example, I'm going to go to the left-hand side of the screen to where it says text, press on where it says add a heading. I'm just going to type for this video, text, plain and simple. Text, doesn't matter which font. I'm going to change this so that it's all in caps. And then I'm going to make it a little bit larger so you can tell for this demonstration. I will also make the background, let's make the background a nice orange color. And I want to change the font to white because I want to make the outline of this text black. So once you have that step done, what I want you to do is press on the text that you want to copy. I want you to go Command C or just copy it, and then Command V or paste it. So now you have two versions of the exact same text that are the exact same size. Now, what do you have to do after this? First step you got to do is change this font to whatever, or sorry, change the color of the text to whatever color you want. This will be the outline color. So just for this example, I will make it black, where my original text is white. The text that I'm going to be turning into an outline will be black. So once that is done, what I want you to do now is press on where it says effects in the top area right here. Press on effects. I want you to go to this effect right here to where it says hollow and press on it right then. Now what I want you to do is, since this photo was in the middle, you can drag it all the way down so that it matches the exact text right here. Or if you want as well, go to where it says top, or in the top right corner, the three little dots, press on position and go to the middle of the page right here, and that'll do the exact same thing. And there you go. Now you have some text outline to it in Canva. Now, the one thing is, if you want to move this text, you can't just press on it and drag it because that's only going to move the top part. So I will move it back to there. What you have to do right now is you actually have to press outside of it, drag all the way down, highlight both, and now you're able to move both around the screen. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever the case may be. That is how you add an outline to text here on Canva. Hopefully this video helped.